What is up, you guys? Yes, finally a new scenery. Usually it's in my room, but this time, well, nobody's home, so I decided I film in the living room, which is pretty good, right? It's a change. So recently I've been watching a lot of how-to videos, or you would say hack videos. I actually learned a few hacks that are pretty simple, and I didn't even know you can actually do that on the app, where a lot of that I thought I had to just download an app to do all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys 5 simple hacks on using Instagram when it comes to doing Instagram stories. Let's say you wanna do a simple solid, right? Well, instead of having to color in the whole background, this I actually did not know. I thought I had to do like put it on Photoshop or something. So it's pretty easy. All you're gonna do is take a photo of anything. Go ahead and take the photo, and then you're gonna go ahead and go to the pin or the marker or whatever type of feature that is. You're gonna pick your color. I'm gonna go ahead and pick, I guess, like a pink. Hold it down. There, you're gonna hold it down. So basically you can just pick any color, hold it down, and there you go. I mean, I haven't had Instagram for a year yet, but oh my gosh, I thought you had to download an app to do something simple like this, but no, you can just do it like that. Let's say you want to do a gradient. Well, there's actually a way to do that here, and it's pretty simple as well. So you're gonna go ahead and go to the type tool. You're gonna type, what's today? Well, today's Tuesday. Well, when I'm filming this video, it's Tuesday. Just put Happy Pride, since Pride was last month. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna, you know where those 2 dots are right there, where the text is? Well, you're gonna go ahead and choose the color you want. Okay, I want purple, right? You're gonna hold it down. You're gonna go ahead and hold any of the side right here, and all you're gonna do is like basically move it, and you're gonna move the color at the same time. So I hope this is, I can do this. Like, I'm trying to show you guys, I can't even figure this out. All right, ready? It's like that. I did it so wrong. That looks terrible, but hey, it's something like that. Wait, let me redo it. Take 2. Take 2. Go. You know what? It'll look. Let me go ahead and fix this so I'll look a lot better. I like to use dark gray. That's something I've always liked to use lately, and it looks good. So there you go. You want to do a photo grid into your Instagram post. Another thing that I thought you had to use an app for that, which you can, because there's several ways to do it. So you're gonna go ahead and go to your photos, and you're gonna go ahead and select it, click copy, and go back to your Instagram, and it's gonna pop up right there, add sticker. So you click done, and then you get to size it any way you want. I'm just gonna put it right here. Go ahead and pick it again. What can I click? I guess at this photo. Copy, or it's a GIF. Just go on Google and download the GIF you want, and it'll pop up like that. So yeah, it's pretty simple. When it comes to Android though, it is a bit different. You have to actually screenshot the photos that you want, and then you can make a grid into it. You're just gonna hold down the type tool. You're gonna click clipboard. I think clipboard comes out when you hold it down. Wherever you screenshot it, you're just gonna go ahead and select which photo that you want, and then you just keep doing that until you put all the photos you want on your story, on your grid. Okay, so there's this thing, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you already know this one. If you know how to do the solids, go ahead and select the color that you want. Just gonna go with, I guess, a blue. Hold it down, and just get the eraser tool. Oh, look at me, I'm doing typograph, I love it. Hello. So last but not least, let's say you want to add a drop shadow into your text. I almost forgot what that was called again. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and go to the type tool, and I'm gonna have it, well, this color. And then you're gonna go ahead and go to the typing tool again. You're gonna type Happy Pride again. And click OK, and there you go. Let me try another one. Love. Yeah, it comes up pretty much like that. Just another hack to share with you guys. There you go, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's my first tutorial slash hack type of video, and I've been wanting to kind of try this, and I thought, well, since I learned these 5 simple hacks in Instagram, I know when it comes to doing really crazy awesome things, sometimes you need an app for that, or you gotta put it on Photoshop or After Effects. But it's pretty cool that there's actually these 5 simple hacks that are out there that you can just do right now. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to hit like if you like the video. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys soon. Take care.